Imagine spending 5 years studying law, dreaming of becoming a judge, and then being told that you cannot even appear for judicial examination without 3 years of court experience. If you are a law student or a fresh graduate, then this could change your entire career path. So stay with me till the end because I am breaking down what this means, why it happened, and how you can prepare to not get left behind. Recently Supreme Court ने एक judgment pass की है, जिस judgment के अंदर they have claimed that the fresher graduates must have 3 years of real court experience or active litigation experience in order for them to be eligible to appear for judicial examination. This means अगर आप एक fresher law student हैं और fresher law graduate हैं जिसने अभी law की degree पाई है, you are no longer eligible to apply straight ahead for judicial examination. The major goal behind this judgment is to make sure that all the judges must have real court experience and not just bookish knowledge. Because handling cases in theory and in real life are two separate things, and one must have real court experience in order for them to be eligible to pass judgments in such critical situations. But here is the catch. This ruling has turned thousands of students across India, especially those who considered this the safest and most prestigious profession and dreamt of getting a government job right after their law degree. Most of the students are now feeling uncertain about their futures. Should they wait and gain 3 years of experience? But how? Not everyone can afford to practice without pay or have some family connections to get cases. Some of the students are reconsidering their decision and turning into other government services like UPSC and state administrative services, while others are considering private legal careers or corporate law. Coaching institutes, which once thrived on judicial exams, prep report in sharp decline in enrollments. It's a tough new reality. So what you can do? Here are some smart tips and moves. Start early, as soon as possible. Seek internships, clerkships, or advocate assistance to start your litigation experience at the earliest. Expand your network and connect with practicing advocates, join legal aid clinics, and volunteer in legal forums. Stay up to date. Follow Bar Council notifications and legal education reforms. Keep upskilling yourself and start preparing for alternative government examinations in parallel to diversify your options. Remember, 3 years of experience sounds long, but it's a valuable investment in your legal career. Those who adapt early will have a huge advantage. To recap, the 3-year litigation rule is going to stay here for now. It's meant to raise judicial standards, but it also means that fresher graduates must rethink their approach. If you are a law student, then don't panic. Start building your experience today and keep your options open. And if you want a detailed guide on how to gain litigation experience and prepare for judicial examinations effectively, I have got you covered. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to cover these topics as well, and also share what's your plan after the law school. Let's talk, share experience, and share knowledge with each other. You may never know, your strategy or experience might be helpful to somebody out there. Your legal career is in your hands. Stay smart, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Happy learning. Bye.